Hello, everybody. My name is Professor Suborno at Bari, and good afternoon, everybody. We are going to be doing a little bit of algebra with my cousin Riatu here. So we will start with do now. So this do now is pretty simple. So x plus x. What is x plus x? X minus x? X times x? And then, better erase that. X times x and x divided by x. Okay, so on page 3 out of 5, what is x plus x, x minus x, x times x, and x divided by x? So,
plus x squared.
On page 3, it's on page 3.
Yeah, I'm on page 3.
Okay, so what is x plus x? Write it.
X squared.
No, x plus x.
Oh, x.
Okay. X plus x equal x. Just in terms of this number x, specify what x plus x is. In terms. It can be x. Okay. So what is x minus x? Keep in mind, x and x are just the same number.
0.
Okay. X times x, what is x times x?
X squared.
Okay, good. Just to see one more time, what do you think x plus x is? Got it. Saying x, wait. Huh?
X.
Okay, and x divided by x?
X.
Oh. Okay, there's a little bit of mistakes here. So, the inner ones are correct. So x minus x is 0, and x times x is x squared. But x plus x, we can call this 2x. Because x times m plus x times n will give you, that one huge parentheses.
Get closer to the.
Okay. So x times n, that would be equal to x times n plus n. Or if you want to use the distributive property, mx plus nx. So x times m plus n. So in this case, m is 1 and n is also 1 because x times 1 is x, so that's the regular. So 1 plus 1 is obviously 2. So that would give you x times 2, 2x. And for x divided by x, well, since any number divided by itself is 1, that property, the x divided by x, if they're the same number, then that also should be 1. So you got the outer ones wrong, the inner ones correct. Okay.
Now do it again. Change the variable instead of x and plus. and minus n, and times n, and divided n.
No, I literally use variables.
Change the variable from x to n. Very confusing.
I know, but see, this drills through all kinds of variables. I'll try this. M plus M. So M times M M minus M M minus M and whoa, M minus M on page 4 and M divided by M. So can you see it? It's on page 4. Okay. So what is M plus N? Okay, what is M plus M? Can you write it? Okay, can you write it? It's on page 4. So what is M plus M first?
M.
Remember what you learned from the last one.
2m.
Good. 2M. What is M times M?
M squared.
M minus M? What is M minus M?
0.
M divided by M?
1.
Okay. You did it good. So now that we're finished with that, we can start going on to the actual problems. Ugh. Why do I keep drawing lines too long? So, okay, so 6, we want to simplify this equation that I'm circling with the laser. So 6 wants us to simplify this equation. So I think you can see it. Okay, so tell me what we need to do first to solve this.
Distribute the negative.
Okay, what should we do first to solve this?
Distribute the negative.
Which side should you distribute the negative? The left side or the right side?
Right.
Okay, good. It's the right side. Okay, so you distribute it to the right side. Okay. So, what would that give you? So, why do I always make viciously large text? 17x squared. I think minus 10x plus 19. And what would distributing the negative to the right side give us?
Positive 7x squared.
Plus 7x squared, okay. And then?
Positive 2x.
Okay. And?
Negative 3.
Good. So, if you add these up, what do you get?
You have to add the left.
Okay. If you add these up, what would you get? Take your time.
The first number, 24x squared.
Okay, good. Then Okay, then what's the next number?
It's the first number 24.
Yes. Then what's next?
13x.
Okay. Then. Wait. Yeah, 13x. Whoa. No. How do you get 13x? You have negative 10 and you're adding it to positive 3. You have negative 10 and you're adding it to... Okay. So, don't mix up the sign. So what would that give you? What would that give you? Negative 10x plus 3x.
-7.
Good. And then, what is the last number going to be?
16.
Okay, it's going to be 16. 24x squared, 7x plus 16. That turned out to be correct. Which choice is that? Which choice is it? A, B, C, or D?
D.
Good. Okay, we got the right answer for 6. 15 minutes only. Now, let's move on to, do you think I should do a challenge problem similar to 6?
Now go to the lesson, Ravi.
No. Do you think I should do a challenge problem similar to 6?
Yes.
Alright. So, 17x squared minus 9x plus 3 minus and then let's say 10x squared plus 15x minus 7. Okay, I think you can solve this. I believe in you. What do you think the answer to this is? How can you simplify this?
I'm doing it.
Okay, you can do as much work as you want.
Seventeen x squared.
Okay.
17x squared.
Okay. What? You can work it out. Tell me your response at the end. And the key to being a teacher is to be patient. That's what I learned from my experience.
Negative 7x squared. Negative 7x squared. Negative 7x squared. Negative 7x squared.
Okay.
Negative 7x squared.
And then what did the next? What the next one will have?
Negative. Wait, no.
You can.
Negative 6.
Okay, minus 6.
Negative 11.
Okay. Let's look at some mistakes. So, first of all, if you distribute this to this, you will get 17 minus 10. So you actually have to eliminate the negative. Second of all, you are not just plainly adding the 15 to the negative 9. Sorry. Instead, you have to distribute the negative. So minus 9 minus the 15 should be minus 24x according to my calculations. And then last but not least, we have this mistake. This would be plus since you're distributing a negative to a negative. And then 3 plus 7 is 10, so that would give you 10. So this would be the answer. 7x squared minus 24x plus 10. But it's fine if you make mistakes. In fact, it's good. That shows you're learning. Anyways, for 7, well, let's multiply these two. These are similar. This is a binomial and this is a trinomial. We'll explain later. But I'll just refer to them as chunks. So there are 2 chunks. How do I? There were 2 chunks. So you have to multiply them together. So what do you get when you multiply these chunks together?
What are you multiplying?
On page 2, 3x minus 6 times x squared. Okay.
3x times what?
3x minus 6 times x squared minus 3x plus 3.
Do you have to FOIL it?
Yeah, you can FOIL it. I think that's the only way. So you're on the right track.
Three x to the power of 3.
You can say cubed if you want. You can say cubed. Because a cube had 3 dimensions, you called it a cube.
Negative 9x.
Okay. Minus 9x. But remember, there's an x. But remember, there's an x here and then x here. What's x times x from the do now?
Yeah.
So you said negative 9x, but you're multiplying an x by an x here. 3x times negative 3x. So would it be x or x squared? Would it be x or x squared?
X squared.
Good. Okay. Now, now what is the next term? What did you say?
Positive 9x.
Positive 9x. Okay.
Negative 6 squared.
Okay, negative 6x squared. Okay, so I will put that here. So negative 6x squared. Okay. Now what?
Positive 18x.
Plus 18x. And what the last term?
Negative 18x.
Negative 18x? Where are you getting the extra x from? You're multiplying a number by a number. Where are you getting the variable?
Negative 18.
Okay, so minus 18. So let's add these together. So 3x cubed, which walks a lonely road. Now what is negative 9x squared minus 6x squared? Bless you.
Yes. Negative 3.
No, minus 9 minus 6. They're the same sign. So what would that give you?
Positive 3x.
No, negative 9, negative 6 would give you negative 15. Since they're both negative, they're not going to be any positive. It's fine. It's just learning. What is 9x plus 18x? What is 9x plus... Okay, 27x. And the negative 18 doesn't have a partner. Okay, so which choice is this? Which choice is this?
It's B.
3.
B.
3. B. Good. So now you have 3B. No, it's B. It's just B. Well, I'm going crazy. And I went absolutely crazy with the challenge problem the other day. So, do you think I should give a challenge problem with this one?
Yeah. Make it easy. Challenge problem. If it like do now, you're almost done with the. You're almost done with the lesson.
Yeah.
So give her the explicit, like this time x squared plus x squared minus x squared times x squared, and x squared divides x squared.
Well, most of them won't be that different. So I think I need to change it a little bit.
So x squared. Just try.
Okay.
We'll see. We'll never know.
Yeah, we never know. Okay. So I'm going to make the exit clip a little tricky. So it's going to be one problem.
Almost.
What is x squared? My internet connection might.
You have 1 minute left.
What is x squared plus 2x divided by x? This one is pretty tricky.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay, that's always fine. It's a new type of problem. So, you can factor out x. So you can
She
make...
does not have to factor out. X squared plus x squared equal to?
No, I did x squared plus 2x divided by x. I did a little
Oh,
harder.
no.
Okay,
It's just too early to make it too difficult.
okay. So, I'm going to make it 9x squared plus 6x squared. What is 9x squared plus 6x squared? Then we're also going to have x squared, 2x squared times 4x. Okay, these two problems. 9x squared plus 6x squared, 2x squared plus 4x. What do you think this will be?
9x squared plus 6x squared equals 15x squared.
Okay, and what is the second problem? Do the second problem.
2x times 4x.
Yeah, that's an x. It's very absurd.
8x squared. 8x cubed.
Good. You can refer to it as cube, or if you want to keep it a little simple, you can refer to it in the power of 3. But we expert algebraians usually refer to cube. So there. Anyways, you got both of them correct, which is good. So bye everybody.
To fall in love with math and science, especially programming.